case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1996, the Court of Appeals of Maryland heard the case of Pavel Enterprises Inc. v. as Johnson Company, which revolved around the question of whether a subcontractor's bid used by a general contractor for a construction project could be considered legally binding. The case stemmed from a renovation project bid by the National Institutes of Health, NIH. General contractor Pavel Enterprises Incorporated, PEI, and mechanical subcontractor as Johnson Company, Johnson, were involved in the project. Johnson provided a quote of $898,000 for the HVAC component of the project to PEI, who then used the quote to compute its own bid of $1,585,000 for the entire project. After NIH disqualified the initial low bidder and accepted PEI's bid, Johnson attempted to withdraw its bid, claiming that it had not agreed to have its bid used in PEI's calculation. PEI then found a replacement subcontractor at a higher cost and sued Johnson for the difference. The court rejected PEI's claim that a bilateral contract had been formed with Johnson, instead finding that Johnson's subbid constituted a contingent contract offer, which PEI had accepted on the condition of receiving the NIH contract. The court also examined the doctrine of detrimental reliance and concluded that it was not limited to a specific factual setting. However, the trial judge did not believe that an equitable remedy was warranted in this situation, as PEI failed to establish a case for detrimental reliance. Ultimately, the judgment was affirmed, and PEI was ordered to pay the costs. This case underscored the importance of clearly establishing contractual relationships between general contractors and subcontractors and highlighted the legal complexities surrounding bid withdrawals and reliance in the construction industry.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.